Hello. Okay, it's time for the next Sophie and Toffee box. Now, I love this box. Look how pretty it is. I think it's so lovely. I mean, I love all the Sophie Toffee packaging. It's lovely. But this is just so cute. A little dino and the little stars. I think it's amazing. Now, I haven't seen any spoilers for this. I haven't watched anybody's videos deliberately. So I'm really excited to see what's inside. Oh, at the inside there. Ooh, it's Halloween. I was hoping there would be something Halloweeny in there. Spooky glow box, and I love things that glow. Wow. Well, let's not have too much of a peek at that. Let's have a look here. So instantly we have two really good size molds. What is this one? So, oh, okay. So it's like a cauldron, but look, it's got, how cool is that? So you've got the outer piece, then we have to fit this in there. That's going to be tricky. How do we fill? Do we fill just to the side? So then that sits in there, and then instead of being a lid, which is what I was just, it looks like it's like something inside the cauldron instead of being the lid. Perhaps it goes in there. Cool. Okay, this looks intriguing. It also looks a bit complicated. This is going to be fun. So what's this one? Okay, so we have another 3-piece mould. I take it that's the lid. That's the inner piece, and then, oh look, that's a nice face. Okay, these are going to be so exciting to do. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I've got to make sure you get that. I presume it's that way. Oh, I'll have to do a little bit of reading before I do these, make sure we do them properly. So exciting. What's this? Okay. Oh, look! If I can get it open. What is this? Floating shaker to be mixed with shake oil. Green. Okay, so this is shake oil and this is floating shake oil. Okay, I've never ever seen that before. Definitely going to have to do some reading up. And then that's the little applicators for the top. And what's this? Little tiny pieces. What are they? Little bats? I think they might be little bats. So they glow in the dark. Yeah, they do. So if you shine UV on them, look. How exciting. Did I just... Yeah, we have some glow-in-the-dark pigments as well. One green, one pink. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so exciting to do. I can't wait. Oh, we get some resin, that's good. For bigger or thicker size projects, 3:1. Little or no bubbles. Now, the last time I used this, I had loads of bubbles. And I don't normally have problems with bubbles in my resin. So I need to find out what I'm doing wrong with this, because a 3:1 the last time I used, I did end up with bubbles everywhere. So I will have a look and see what happened. So I don't normally have problems with bubbles in my resin. Oh, and then we've got a little battery light or tea light. Is this white or is it? I presume we just normally squeeze it together and it normally works. Okay, but this one isn't, so perhaps I've got to off and on. Yeah, I'm doing that. Nothing's working. Okay, perhaps mine doesn't have any batteries. Or perhaps we have to... Okay, I'll have a fiddle with that and find out why it's not working. What's this? Oh, 2 little teeny bats. Oh, cute. Oh, look, look, look. That is so pretty. We have holographic, we have black, orange. There's some glow in the dark. I think possibly, I'm not sure. We have ghosts, cats. Okay, those are cool. Oh, and some little pumpkin charms. My son used to call them podkins when he was little, which I loved. I thought podkins was an amazing word for pumpkins. I still say it occasionally and he just looks at me. Those are cute. So what do we have in here? Oh, these like the little, you can make like little pieces to go in the shakers. Yeah, these are good. Really nice detail in those actually. And then this one. Oh, okay, so this looks like a pendant mould. What do you think? If I can then do it. I can't get it open. Wait a minute. I have scissors. Oh yeah, look at those. Look at the details in that. Cool. Those are some good size pendants as well. That's a good size. And then what's this? Nail decals. Oh, those are nice. I used to do nail art, so I'll be a bit more familiar with these. Fabulous. Oh, this looks so exciting. This is amazing. We've got quite a lot going on here. So I'm intrigued by this, by the green floaty stuff. I can find out why my little light isn't working. These look amazing. The little bats. Powders. This is a good box. This is a nice assortment of things. And I love Halloween themed stuff. Yeah, this is ace. Right, okay. We have to get thinking now. Let's have a think and see what we can do. Let's have a look at the leaflet. It's a little bit squished in there, but I think it's because we have the molds in there. Tutorials and ideas. So jack-o'-lantern mould, yeah. Cauldron mould. Okay. So it shows you the green there. Confetti. Glow in the dark stickers. Okay, so the nail art stickers glow in the dark. Pumpkin charms, glow in the dark clay bats. Oh, and these are the June, not the wind chime, the June ones. Oh, this is nice. That's pretty. Oh, they're lovely. Is that the last page? I think so. Right, lovely. So I'll put my thinking hat on and see what I can come up with.